No way!
Damn! Alright. What a beautiful day. Yeah. Today we are testing the rocket. The motor is still cracked, but it should be fine. I am sick. Gotta do anything for the content, you know. Today we are going to meet JoyOnWheels again. Don't get a flat tire, optional. If you get a flat tire, that's a sign you should just sell the scooter.
Bro, it's already on sale, bro. I just have to find some.
Yeah, someone buy his scooter. Mint condition. It's not mint condition. Bro, it's fast. You know what isn't fast? AliExpress shipping. Move, bro. Give me my motor.
Bro, I literally wrapped my motors in duct tape. Even the front one.
Yes, now someone is definitely gonna buy this scooter. The motors are wrapped in duct tape. We're going on speed mode 2 to save battery. Now look at this guy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, bro, got the screw. I know, bro, the motor is cracked.
Your wheel doesn't even spin straight.
Let's climb this. Light work, no reaction. There are already people here. Now we wait. Let me do a burnout. Joy is here.
Where's the best guy? There's the best guy.
Yo.
Yo! Man, I was expecting you to show up.
I changed my scooter.
You got the new deck. Wait, that's sandpaper, right?
Yes.
Damn!
It's a new scooter.
I seen the video. Do you have a vest condition?
No, but it will have a vest.
You will have a vest.
Yeah.
Okay, dude, go for it. Yo, keep going, man. Keep going. You're gonna get big.
Yo, can you sign this one too?
Yeah. There you go, man.
Yeah.
Looks clean. Okay. Then after skate park where?
Forest.
Forest. I'm down.
Alright.
Forest dirt park?
There's a bike trail.
Yeah. That one.
Yeah.
We can do it. It's insanely powerful, bro. That's literally insane. It might be better than the G2 Monster.
Not for long.
Not for long. I need to do a long ride out today.
Oh boy, you're cool.
You're cool. Stop the ride out.
Bro, that's a rocket.
So there are a few people that can also go up to this way.
Bro, this scooter is huge.
No way!
No.
No way, bro.
Bro, ain't no way you wheeling the cargo ship. Bro, how is it possible? This scooter is the weight of a cargo ship.
It's insanely difficult actually.
Let me do some jumps this time. Do a bunny hop.
Bunny hop.
Oh, damn. If you jump with this scooter, you'll cause an earthquake.
I'll cause an earthquake? Nah, bro.
This scooter is huge.
No earthquake is gonna happen, trust.
Yo, watch this. Bro, this is fun. Damn.
Easy, bro. That was easy.
Oh. Damn. Yo, what the dog doing? Bro, this scooter takes jumps like they're nothing. Bro, I'm telling you, it's so fun. Bro, riding the public bike. No suspension. Do a wheelie! Whoa! Yo, hold on. This is better than the G2 Master. Oh! Deo lipire. Oh! Oh! Oh, Santa Cruz! Let's go. What happened? Ho ho! Yo!
Dude, I cannot even explain how your tire is moving left and right.
My motor is cracked. I'm waiting for a replacement.
My motor is doing like this.
It's a full tire. Half of my rim is missing.
Half of the rim is missing?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Be careful.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's already destroyed.
It's a full tire.
God damn it. No?
Huh?
Do you have air in that tire?
No, it's a full tire.
Oh, it's a full tire. Oh!
Yeah.
The atmosphere.
Yo, Joy, let's go on the trail down there.
You wanna go on the trail?
Do you wanna go there?
Thanks.
Let's go.
Let's go, man. You first.
Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are we gonna go out on the street?
Be careful.
I am careful.
Yeah. Where is everyone?
Did we just walk down by this job?
They said they're going to the dirt, so it's this way then. Whoa. Light or no reaction. Hell yeah! God, this scooter was made for jumps.
Yeah, of course.
Damn!
You wanna be my cameraman?
Alright,
I'ma jump that.
okay.
You stay like this and record the jump.
Whoa! Yeah! Yo! Bro, this is a true range test for the G2 Master. Bro, I don't think I have enough battery for the GoPro to record all of this.
Where do we go? Right? Left?
Yeah!
Okay. Well, I just can't stop laughing about your tire.
It looks funny. Oh man.
That's a pig, man.
Are you okay? Bro. Yo! Look at this massive bird. Yeah! But the G2 Master was made for off-road. Bro, this is the gaming scooter.
Gaming scooter?
Lights.
It's got the LED.
It's a gaming scooter. It has RGB. Bro, it was meant to happen. Of course you got a flat tire. The Federal always has a flat tire. The Federal doesn't concern himself with keeping tires full for more than a week. Bro has a flat tire. Yo. Whoa, n-am frâne. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, so many scooters. Bro, how much money are you making if you sell all of them? So many scooters. You will make millions selling all of these. Bro, this bike looks mad. I don't care, this bike is mad. 72 volts, 5 kilowatts. God damn. Gang, what is going on here? Bro, what is going on? Yeah. Why mama? Yo!
Do you like the Joy OTD or not?
Damn, this scooter looks like a tank, bro. The size of a cargo ship. Yang, what'd you do? Bro, it's cooked. Flat tire.